video, guys, I will be telling you guys the reason why Ghana is better than Nigeria, and the reason why Ghana is just trendy all over everywhere, like boom, you know, because they are huge, you know, guys. So guys, that is the topic we'll be celebrating. Everyone, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my channel, my name is Maria Omo Family TV. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Or to my old subscriber, may Heavenly Father bless you guys. Those that will still come across my video, subscribe for me and watch my video and share my video. May Heavenly Father bless you guys. Trust me, my viewer all over the world, I am not taking any of you for granted, guys. If una not there, do I be? Oh, Maria Omo Family TV, beef una not there. My Ghana subscribers, my Ghana's viewers all over the world, big shout out to you all. Amazing kisses to you all. I love you guys with the love of God. Okay guys, in today's video guys, I will be giving you guys the reason why Ghana is better than Nigeria. It's obvious, my guys. It's obvious, my adorable viewers. Yeah. It's very obvious. So guys, that is what we will be deliberating on today, because many people in there are so surprised. They don't know. You know, it's not everybody that watch news. It's not everybody that listen to what is happening. It's not everybody that know how to read. All right, you know, guys, not that I am perfect. I am still learning, guys. They said practice make perfect, isn't it? Okay, my people, it has been long. So many people don't really know why Ghana is just trendy all over everywhere. Their global network is just everywhere. You know, people are imagining, why? People Ghana flag, Ghana this, they don't know. They don't really know why. They don't even understand what is happening. So I am here to clear the hair, and I am here to enlighten you guys why Ghana is just trendy all over everywhere. Wow, oh my God, it's so amazing. When I'm talking about Ghana, I feel this joy in my heart. I don't really know why. So guys, the reason why Ghana is better than Nigeria, my people that is asking, why every time you guys should stop talking about Ghanaians. No, we cannot stop talking about them, because why? And thank God it's not only me one that is seeing all those beautiful goodies. It's not only me one that is seeing all these amazing things, amazing gifts that Europeans are that is giving to Ghana. It's not only me one that see it. And I do wash. Thank God it's not only me one. If it is only me, believe me, they are going to come for me and say, because my family or my kids or my husband is from Ghana, that's why I am always deliberating on their issue. No, far from that. No, guys. We don't need to be biased here. Nothing like that. No. Because of what Ghana are doing, that motivates me to talk about them. They are so blessed. They are good. Okay, guys. So don't be surprised that we always why YouTubers always talking. More YouTubers are still coming to talk about Ghana, because why? If you are a lover of good things, trust me, you are gonna hit the nail at the center. Except if you are not a lover of good things, you can just do your thing. As for me, I am a #1 lover of good things. So guys, the reason why Ghana is far better than Nigeria, #1 reason is, I have my list. I list all, because I don't want to mistake anyone. You know, I don't want to fake it. I just want to tell you guys the real facts, nothing but the truth. So guys, the #1 reason why Ghana is 99% better than Nigeria, #1 is education. Yes, Ghana education in the whole Africa is the best. Is the best. Either you take it or you leave it. Either you agree or not. Ghana education is the best in the whole world Africa. That is Africa as a whole. Ghana education is the best. It's just the best. Their education are so affordable. Their education is so good. Their education is so real. There is nothing like, we did not pay lecturers, we did not pay teachers. You guys can stay home for some time, this and that. There is nothing like that. There is nothing like you must pay 1 million, you must bribe, you must do this before you can get admission to their university. There is nothing like that. Soon as you have your SS3 result, and then we ask you to go for more, then we just tell you what to do. And when you acquire those things, trust me, your admission is out. Nothing like your father know this one, your sister know this one before you will get your own admission, or you will spend hair before you will get your admission. There is nothing like that in Ghana University. Number one reason. So let's jump on number two reason why Ghana is better than Nigeria, guys. So number two reason why Ghana is better than Nigeria: security. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Security, Ghana security worldwide in Africa is number one. Yes, guys, do you know why I decided to deliberate on this issue? You know, we said we Nigerians are giant of Africa, isn't it? We have that one in our head, and we Nigerians, we are telling ourselves that it's not we the citizens that spoil that country, it's foreigners, I agree with you guys. Do you know why foreigners spoil the country today? Because we don't have security. Because if we have security, there is no foreigner that can turn that nation upside down for us. Hell no. Hell no. There are a lot of foreigners in Ghana. The security in that mother's land did not give them that privilege to come and mess up their country. Hell no. We all know what just strength of recent between Nigeria and Ghana in the land of Ghana. Because our Nigerian youth, they want to take that land like we are is one Africa, we can do anything we like. But the authority come for them and let them know that this place is not Nigeria. You know, that is what they call security. So we don't need to blame the foreigners that came to live in our land today, that become the citizens, they can do whatsoever they want to do, because we are lack of security. We don't have it. That is number two. Guys, number three, oh my God, we all know is hospital. Hospital, we don't have hospital in Nigeria. We don't have. If you don't have money to take care of your parents, trust me, they are just going to delete just like that because you cannot afford it. Yes, amazing part of Ghana. Do you know their mother, their whole parents, they have free health care just like Europeans do? They have it. But we Nigeria, we don't know what is called health care. Any month your mother go to the hospital for checkup, he's going to take hospital card, just hospital paper like this. When it's coming next month, he's still going to take another one. But Ghanaians' parents, they have just hospital card like the one we have in Europe. They have it. They can go for checkup anytime, any day they like. Free. Free. That is the reason why I said Ghana is 99% better than Nigeria. Either you take it or you leave it. So guys, let's jump on number 4. So number 4, guys. Number 4 is economic. Ghana economic is just too amazing. We need to stop claiming that giant of Africa, giant of Africa. Do you know what is giant of Africa? Things is not moving. Things is not circulating. The youth are involving themselves in different things every day because of hardship. Ghana economy is just trendy. It's just circulating. If it is that only healthcare they give the parents, the old people, I pray for that every day. I said, Ghana, you guys are so intelligent. Yes, because old people need to take good care of. Just check social media influencers, Ghanaians. Just check if you can find any sad something of this, that. Hey, no. Because they have that free health care. They can go to hospital anytime to control themselves. But where we are coming from, if you don't have money or you don't have any child in abroad that can be sponsoring you for that, mom, dad, I want you to have a family doctor to take good care of yourself. Your parent cannot afford it. We all know they cannot. So Ghana economic is really, really good. I pray for Nigeria to just turn their own so that the youth, the things will just be circulating, moving, turning around. I believe the youth can no longer involve themselves in anything, because me, I think of what, when you are hungry, you reason out of track. That is what I believe on. So guys, We are now number 5. Number 5 reason why I said Ghana is better than Nigeria. Yes, it's truth, nothing but the truth, guys. In my previous video, I always said it. I always tell you guys that I am a lover of good things. If you are a good person, I can sleep for you to match me. I can respect you to the core. That is my kind of person. So guys, let me tell you guys the number 5 reason why Ghana is better than Nigeria in anything, in every four corner of it all. Ghana is better than Nigeria, either you take it or not. So number 5 reason, good roads. Good roads. Sometimes when I see some place, I said no, it's not Ghana. Why are you guys lying? But when I go into deep of it, or I will find out that that place is a Ghana. They have a very good, there is good road. You know, when there is good road, it's hard for something bad to happen. But when the road is bad, they know the actual place they can wait for you. They know that you cannot escape that route because the road is bad. Yes, guys. So that is number 5 reason. So number 6 reason, guys. Oh my God, beautiful view. Beautiful view. People do visit Ghana. So they visit amazing places in Ghana. Ghana have a beautiful place to visit. That's why some Nigeria bloggers that are based in Nigeria, they do go to Ghana to go and blog the view, to go and that is bring it to the world for them to see. But we don't have those kind of amazing places in Nigeria. But we sit there to claim that we are giant of Africa. What giant of Africa are really giving us? If I may ask, I am so sorry. If I may ask, that giant we are claiming we are large, we have a lot of population. This is it really helping us? Is it really giving us anything? No, it's not giving us anything, rather bringing us down. Yes, the population Ghana just have, I believe, is the best. For me, is the best. Because if you want to give birth to a child, the one you can take care of. That is what I think. They have a beautiful place that white people do go to that is to go and have fun. Different people, Americas, Asia, South America, all over the world, they do visit our place. When they are going, they go with their big digital camera. You know, different places, beautiful view, beautiful, amazing places. I remember when Two-Face sing that time with Ghana. You can see that place. I believe it's a beach. That place was so amazing when he sing with these guys, all those Ghanaian musicians. Then when he sing this music, you know, it's a very amazing places. Trust me, those things are money. You know, all those beautiful views is money. It's high time Nigeria learn from Ghana. Just tell Ghana to teach you guys how you can just manage, how you can just put our economy back again. That is what we are begging, so that our youth can bring that beautiful name back to that land. Know that Nigeria is a very beautiful name. People love that country. They love that country, Nigeria. But you see, the attitude of that country is what is really annoying people. It's hungry, no work. If you finish school, your father did not know this person did not know this person. Trust me, you cannot work. You will just keep your NYSC, you will keep it, your certificate that you are a grad master for that matter. You will just keep it in your file there. All the money your parents spend to train you, you cannot bring it back to pay them. That is what we are fighting about. Nigeria, please, it's high time. I don't know if our leaders, they are not watching media. They are not seeing the way Ghana flag is just flying all over everywhere. People are talking about them, talking amazing parts of them, everything about them. Are they not seeing it? I don't really know. If you are not seeing it, okay, because me, I am a Ghanaian, which everybody know. Yes, guys. So, guys, I am leaving you in this junction, guys, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Always thumbs up my video. Always share for me as you do so for me. Oh, may Heavenly Father bless you guys. I love you all with the love of God. See you all in my next video.